Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep the analysis as clean as possible going forward. First key update that needs to occur here is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is where $1.75 comes into play, because that you could throw this right into a textbook. During that first opening portion of the day, the price broke below it, and then at that point is where you'd expect it to act as resistance. And then you can see not once but twice actually the price tried to get up above that level, couldn't do it, and then from there ultimately failed and back down it went. So $1.75 going to be that near-term level of resistance to watch going into Friday. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, the level of support that you would really want to see it act as a support, that purple line there, which I talked about in Wednesday's video, the 50-period moving average. I mean, again, you could throw this right into a textbook. Absolutely beautiful, came down there, bounced off of it, and then spent the remainder of the day pretty much just kind of slowly working its way. Once again, hit it the final portion of the day, and then got some nice little green candles from it right there. So from a support side of things, yeah, good to see that that level did indeed hold as support. In the event the price falls below that purple line, the next key level of support at that point in time would then be the gap close location right around $1.25. $1.25 in my mind is, I don't want to call it a total do or die level, but definitely very, very important, because if the price were to come down to $1.25 and then just continue on down, at that point, it's essentially putting the price right back to where it was before this explosive movement to the upside. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Hasn't happened. I'm not saying it will happen, but just explaining why, in my mind, that $1.25 mark, definitely a very important level going forward. So still one day left this week. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.